Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting up for safety and effectiveness. Place foggers and supplies on a table near the center of the room. This improves circulation. Vacuum first because a vacuum reduces flea eggs and larvae, then discard the bag. Seal or remove food, cover aquariums, and turn off any pilot lights and fans, since foggers are aerosol and can ignite. Once done, activate the device and leave immediately. You'll be out of the space for the prescribed period, which increases penetration and kills adult fleas. You position the fogger on a hard, elevated surface so the aerosol disperses evenly instead of pooling. This is why you avoid carpets directly under the unit. Press or twist the actuator fully, listen for the click, because incomplete activation reduces effectiveness. Close the door behind you and avoid re-entry. Staying out allows the pesticide to settle on harborages. Make sure to set a timer for the specified 2 to 4 hours, and if you have multiple rooms, treat one at a time or follow label instructions for connected spaces. You re-enter only after the label time has elapsed and you've ventilated well. This reduces inhalation risk and removes residual odor. Start by opening windows and doors and run fans for at least 30 minutes, and then vacuum to remove dead fleas and eggs. Dispose of debris outside. Wash bedding and pet fabrics in hot water and isolate treated rooms until dry. If flea activity continues after 1 or 2 properly timed applications, contact a pest professional. Alternatively, combine indoor
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.